on few processes. First one is fermentation process. Fermentation process. What is the fermentation process? Already we have been seen or we be known. Okay, what is BB? Fermentation. So fermentation is nothing but the alcoholic product can be produced. So that is named as fermentation. It is derived from the Latin word. Okay, it is derived from the Latin word. So this fermentation process can be utilized. Okay, so for what are the products is acids, enzymes, alcohols, antibiotics, chemicals, vitamin, toxins. All these can be brought up by fermentation process. And another one biomass. Biomass means with the help of the living organism, large amount of bulk of production of products. For example, SCP, that is nothing but single celled protein. Single celled protein, alcohols, biofuels can be produced. Enzymes such as biosensors can be produced, and biofuels such as hydrogen, alcohol and methane can be produced. Next one, microbial inoculants such as biofertilizers, nitrogen fixers, plant and animal cell cultures, that is secondary metabolites or monoclonal antibodies can be produced by this method. Recombinant DNA technology is nothing but production of fine chemical enzymes, vaccines, growth hormones, antibiotics and interferon. Next one, process engineering. It is producing for effluent treatment like water recycling. Okay, so all these are focused in the modern biotechnology. Okay, next one, important one, it is nothing but biotechnology. This biotechnology is a large branch. Okay, so it is like a tree. It have many branches, is it or no? So likewise, this biotechnology also have lot of branches. Okay, mostly it is depending upon agriculture, medicine, environment, all the commercial products. Various sectors together, we will be naming it as a biotechnology. So it was brought up, modern biotechnology in 21st century is applied more. So what are all the methods applied in biotechnology? Different types of biotechnological process, like a tree. Biotechnology is like a tree. So it will have a lot of branches, is it so? So in this view they have been given here. First one is genetics. Genetics is nothing but heredity and variations in the organisms. Okay, molecular biology. So study of biology at molecular level. Immunology, studying about